Rachna Sansid. We are students from interior designing, and this is our installation called 7 Stigmas Sabotage. That's a heptagon. It has 7 sides, and we have come up with 7 social stigmas.
So the first stigma that we chose to overcome was domestic violence. So what we've explained here is how women were ill-treated, who's got bloodied hands all over. On the right side now, we've showcased a woman dancing, a ballerina in white, which signifies peace, unity, harmony. So she's dancing, she's liberated, and there's no more domestic violence happening. But again, we've also highlighted it with newspaper headlines.
Second stigma that we are focusing on in Indian society is the menstruation stigma. As you know, a lot of people don't generally speak about something like menstruation very openly. It's a big taboo in Indian society. And so we've used this imagery to depict the menstruation cycle. And here we've tried to depict the female genitals in a more subtle way, which is kind of open to interpretation. So as you can see, we've tried to depict it in the form of a flower, something that's very positive. And we've also added a few pictures of what the idea of the Indian society is regarding menstruation. And on this side, as you can see, we made a calendar, and during those 5 days, what we are trying to depict, those 5 days you shouldn't feel ashamed, you shouldn't have to be ostracized or kept separate from the rest of the people. You should own it, feel proud, and that's why we are trying to say own those 5 days. And here we've just put up a few more images of the worldwide taboo, how it is dealt with in various countries.
Third heptagon that we're doing is Nakusa. In India, the girl child is they're not taken very seriously. When they're 18, they're always called a boj to the family because they need to be married and taken to another family. So here, what we're trying to depict is a lotus that is submerged in milk. So now a lotus is trying to symbolize the girl, and out here, it's submerged in milk, how something that we should try and eradicate from the Indian society. Whereas on this panel, we show the lotus blooming and how a girl should actually be treated.
So this is the fourth stigma. Here we are showing the dowry. On this side we are showing the men, and this side we are representing the women. So the dowry is the basic thing which goes from the men to the female. So here we are showing a garland, and these are the 2 rings. So the connection between the men and the woman is only because of the garland of the money.
So the fifth heptagon talks about child marriage, how people are still into this, and children are getting married under the age of 13 in the present time, and how the legal age is 18, but still this is still happening around us. And in this panel it shows how the actual life is supposed to be, how the people are playing over here, and kids are having fun, not getting into the relationship status yet.
So this is our 6th heptagon. It depicts untouchability. So what we are trying to show here that the Orthodox people, they are closing their gates for the untouchables. So that's how we've depicted this panel. On my left, Orthodox people are actually now opening their gates for the untouchables, and the headlines as in how our government also is helping the untouchables to eradicate untouchability. In the final one, we are trying to end it on a positive note. People are still against intercaste marriage. They don't actually prefer it. So here what we are trying to show is a Christian girl and an Indian Maratha boy getting married. So that's why a veil and a turban. And the headlines are on how intercaste marriage has changed from the past to the future. So as you can see that all of these heptagons are deconstructed in a way. It is because that we wanted you to feel liberated after you walk out of it. That's why the structure is actually deconstructed. It is not a proper heptagon. So that's it. So when you walk out, we need you to feel liberated and take the message really seriously that you need to end all the social stigmas, ring a bell, eradicate everything, and be free. #7 Stigmas.